Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden and Kitchen. How is everyone doing today? Today I'm going to be making my famous recipe because everybody always like this, my kebabs. I'm making some shish kebab, some beef shish kebab. You can even make it with the lamb or goat or mutton, you can use it. But I'm making with the beef today. It tastes very good with the beef. And you have to have the fatty beef, a little bit fat in the beef. You cannot be making with the lean meat. And everyone wanted this recipe. Whenever I have the party, everyone asks me for this recipe, especially from my nephews and my brothers. They love this recipe. So I thought maybe I can give it to the whole world today, everybody. So everyone can have my recipe and everyone can make it, not only me, okay? Let's go start it. Okay friends, to make this, I have 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, and I have 1 teaspoon of crushed and roasted cumin seeds, and also I have a red chili powder 1 teaspoon, and I have a garam masala 1/4 spoon, and I have crushed and roasted coriander powder 1.5 spoon, and I have turmeric 1 spoon, and I have a salt 2 spoons, and I have a garlic and ginger paste 2 spoons, and I have a crushed green chilies. I'm going to take 1 spoonful, and then I have half a cup of onions chopped and all the water drained. So it's just dry. So if there's any water, you cannot make the shish kebab. It's gonna break. And I have some cilantro. If you like, you can put the cilantro. It's optional because somebody likes in my family cilantro. Some people don't like cilantro. And I have 2 pounds of ground beef. It has it was like a 80 and 20. It's 20% of fat and 80% of meat, because you needed the fatty meat for the to make kebab. Without the fat, it's gonna be very dry and it's not gonna make properly. But when you do the barbecue outside, all the fat will fall in the barbecue pit, so you're not gonna have any fat left afterwards once we're done cooking. But it cooks with the fat inside, and it's gonna be very nice when it cooks with the fat. Okay, let's add everything in the meat. I'm going to put like a 1 spoonful of it, or maybe 1.5 spoon green chilies crushed, and I have 2 spoons of garlic and ginger paste. I'll be adding that, and then I'm going to have 2 spoons of salt, and I have a turmeric half a spoon, and I have a garam masala 1/4 spoon, and I have crushed coriander powder 1.5 spoon. I have a crushed and roasted cumin seeds 1 spoon, and I have a red chili pepper 1 spoon, and I have a black pepper 1 spoon, and I have a crushed red chili flakes 1 spoon. Okay, we are not gonna add onions until we are ready to make the kebabs, because otherwise it's going to leave the water in the kebabs. It's not going to be then stuck to each other, like meat is not going to be sticky, it's going to break. So I'm going to go ahead and grind this one in the food processor just for a few seconds, so I don't have to mix it, and it's going to make a little bit more softer too. It's soft, but you need to make more a little softer. So I'm going to go ahead and grind in the food processor for a few minutes. Then I'll come back and meet you, okay? Show you. Okay friends, I just finished grinding this meat. So I want to show you the consistency of the meat. It's supposed to be like this, soft, to make kebabs. And we are gonna empty that in the bowl and start making it. And one more thing I want to show you. I like this food processor a lot because see, if I don't have too much meat to grind, I can use the smaller bowl. If I have a lot more, I can use the bigger bowl. So that's neat. I really like it. Okay. Okay. Okay friends, we are ready to make these kebabs. If you don't have a skewer like this big one, you can use a wooden spoon like this. You can put the kebabs on this one. It's easy to make it. And just put a little oil on it so it can slide out easily. See? So you can even make it with that and just remove it slowly. So you can have a kebab. We are not doing barbecue outside because it's raining. We'll be cooking in the oven. So we are going to put some barbecue flavor. So what I did is I burned 2 charcoals at the top of the stove. Now I'm going to put a little bit of oil on top of it and cover it. So it's going to get some barbecue flavor in there. So we're going to cover it. Okay friends. I think we have enough smoke in there, so we don't need any more. I gave the smoke for 5 minutes. We have enough smoke. We can start making them now. I'll put some onions and mix it good. Okay friends, it's so easy to make them now. Put a little water on my hands and then I start making them. You just have to make like a ball in your hand and take the skewer. If I'm doing the on barbecue pit, I won't be removing the skewer, but since I've been doing in the oven, I have to remove this skewer because the skewer had a wooden handle in the back. It might burn. So just like that. See, you can remove it and put it in there. So one more thing, I put another pan under there. There's 2 pans and the top pan has some holes in there. So all the fat will drain from here and goes to that pan. So we have a double pan over here. Usually this pan comes with the oven when you buy the new oven. Okay. I think my oven is heating up on 350. I think it's almost ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and start baking this in the oven for 20 minutes. I think it will be done in 20 minutes. Okay friends. Okay, we are done with the kebabs. Let's see how it looks now. Soft. Some lemon. Some onion. And let's put some onion on it. And see, kebabs are so soft and nice. Very good. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and if you made that, if you have any difficulties or anything, please let me know. So also if you like to learn any other dishes, please write in the comments box. I will try to make it for you. Okay, bye, see you next video.